Hello students, hope you all are fine. So students, as you know, we are doing measurement chapter. So today our topic is conversion of units of length. So you all are aware of this word units. Units means in which we length measure. Okay, like centimeters, meters, kilometers. So I'm taking here example, convert 8 meters into centimeters. Now you all know meter is bigger than centimeter. It means meter is bigger and centimeter is smaller unit. So first we will mention here that we are converting bigger unit into smaller unit. So when we convert bigger unit into smaller unit, we always multiply. But when we convert smaller to bigger unit, we always divide. Remember these two things. Okay. So first of all, we will write their relations. Whose relation? Which we are having in statement like meters and centimeter. So first we will write their relation. So 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So 8 meter will be 8 into 100. In place of 1 meter, we will write 100 centimeter. Okay, because this meter is multiplied with 8. So 8 into 100. So we get 800 centimeters. That's all. Okay, so I'm taking one more example where meter and centimeter both are given. Okay, so here also I'm converting this into centimeter. It means meter to centimeter, again bigger to smaller unit. We will multiply. Better you write this step in bracket. Okay, so first of all we will write their relation. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So now we will solve the sum. 3 meter. 3 meter means 3 into 100 centimeter plus this is 9 centimeter. It is already in centimeters and we are converting it into centimeter. So this number will be written as it is because this number we cannot convert it into meters, centimeters. Okay, so 3 into 100 plus centimeter you will add as it is. So 3 into 100 is 300 plus 9. So 300 plus 9. 9 is on ones place. So it will be added like this. 309 centimeters. So what you have learned here? If centimeters are given along with meters, that centimeters will be added as it is because they are already in centimeters and we are converting this into centimeters. Okay, so no need to change this. We cannot change this. So next example I am taking 151 centimeters 2 meters. Now smaller to bigger unit. So when we convert smaller to bigger unit, we always divide. With what? With their relation. Okay, so again we will write their relation. Now centimeter is on this side. So what is the relation between centimeter and meters? 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. This relation is same. We have just changed their sides. Okay, 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. Now statement is 151 centimeters. So now we will divide this number with 100. Okay, students, I am telling you here shortcut method to divide with tens, 100, 1000. So how many zeros in 100? 2 zeros. So last two digit of this number will be remainder and this will be quotient. So it means these are remainder. These are remainder means these numbers cannot be changed in meters. Okay, so these numbers will be centimeters only and the digits left behind that, so that is meter. If there are 4 digits, so how many digits will be left behind? 2 digit. If there are 5 digits, then 2 digits of centimeter left behind digits are 3. Okay, so 3 digits you will write here for meters. So just you have to keep it in your mind that how many zeros are there? 2 zeros. So we will count from back. 1, 2. So those 2 digits will be in centimeters only, and rest left digits are in meters. So answer of this is 1 meter 51 centimeters. Okay. If in kilometers we will divide with 3 zeros, then we will take last 3 digits for smaller unit. Okay, so I hope it is all clear to you. Thank you, students. Have a nice day.